In case you couldn't tell, I'm sitting here with zip makeup on, and I did that for a reason, because I just wanted to show you my skin in its pure state. Of course, I've added my moisturizer and my serum for the day, but this is how my skin looks. It's a little pinker than my neck, but it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with my skin right now. So the only makeup I have on is my eyebrows. It's going to be difficult for me to ever film a video without doing my brows, and I have been using the brow micro-filling pen from Benefit lately, and I love this. It gives those hair-like strokes. It has those 3 little tips there. Super easy, quick, and efficient way to do your brows if you have sparse brows like me. None of the content in this video is sponsored. I've bought all of these products with my own money. I love them. I share them because they're efficient and they're effective, and they're the things I love. So bear that in mind. I'm no expert. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm simply sharing my opinions, my thoughts, and my experiences with these products. So if this is something that you want to see, the products I use to help my skin stay in a tip-top condition in my 40s, then please stay tuned. DIYs for radiant, more youthful looking skin. I am now in my 40s. My skin is actually close to the best it's ever been, and minus the fact that I am aging, so I'm going to have more expression lines and things like that. I can't really do much about that unless I get filler or Botox, which I have been known to do before, but I have not had any for quite some time. I think it's been 18 months. No, it can't be 18 months. It's been a year since I've had Botox, and filler, it has been about 2 years since I had filler in my lips. So pretty a la natural right now. I'm excited to share with you the things that I have been using that really work for me. So let's just jump straight on into that. I think that exfoliating is one of the major things that has benefited my skin, and not the traditional sloughing off with a gritty substance, but using chemical exfoliants. It has really helped my pore size, which I've always had quite deep pores on my nose. And this is truly something that has just brightened my skin, smoothed my skin, and helped to refine those pores. My favorite is M61 Power Glow Peel. This stuff is amazing. I've used it before and then I stopped using it because I didn't want to pay the price for it, but I've come back to it because it truly is the most amazing peel, in my opinion, for all skin types, mature especially. What it has in it is high concentrated effective ingredients, mostly natural ingredients, aside from the chemical, what do you call them? The actives. So it has no parabens, no sulfates, no phthalates, no synthetic fragrances and dyes, and no animal testing. What I love about these products is they're really powerful, but they have soothing properties in as well. So I feel like if you're sensitive, you can still use these with success. This one has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile, and the last 2 ingredients are designed to really soothe your skin. So love this product. When you put it on, you do get a little bit of a tingle, and my skin is just glowy instantly, and I wake up extra glowy in the morning. Love it. Really, really nice peel. I've also found another pad peel that I've enjoyed, and I tend to integrate the 2 of these in so that I don't have to go through these as quickly. So these are a 3 time a week for me, and then I use these 2 to 3 times. And this is the Pixi Glow Peel Pads. These ones have 20% glycolic, and they also have rose water. So again, a little soothing. I enjoy them. They do have a little kick to them. They are not individually wrapped. They're just in here. And you can tell they don't have fragrance. They just smell a little like chemical, but an active that I really like also. And these are a 2 or 3 minute pad that you then rinse off. So again, not a long process, which I think is far more in line with how I like to do my beauty regimen. I don't want to be sitting there for 20 minutes waiting for something and then wash it off, which is how I sort of started my pad journey with these glycolic peels from Amazon, and these are like a 20%, 20-minute peel, then you have to rinse them off. So for me, that just wasn't gonna work, and I didn't particularly like these ones. I found them a little bit dry. So these two are my go-to chemical exfoliants that I use regularly. What else do I do? Dermarolling. Okay, so I don't dermaroll when I'm using acid peels, and if I am dermarolling, then I give myself a break for the next day on the peels. But dermarolling has been something that I believe has really enhanced my skin. When I do dermaroll, I tend to my skin gets a little bit red and a tiny bit inflamed. Not inflamed to the point where I'm worried about it, but just that teeny tiny bit where it shows that I've done micro damage to my skin and that my skin is producing in order to heal that. So I love that about dermarolling. I use a 0.5 dermaroller. I get mine from TJ Maxx. I buy a bunch. I use them. I don't do single use. A lot of people do. I don't. This is a titanium, so the needle points do stay sharp, but I will use them for probably 5 or 6 times. Just saying what I do, not recommending what you do, and then I get rid of them. But after each time, I completely sanitize these, and what I tend to use is denture tablets. I put them in some water, let that dissolve, and then I add my dermaroller and let it sit there overnight, and then I'll rinse it out. So that helps to get rid of any bacteria that is on the tool. But this one here, I love. If you haven't tried dermarolling, give it a go. You can get them in 0.25 and 0.5. I like the 0.5, and I also like to, again, I'm not recommending this. I like to do this, and then while those micro channels are actually open on my skin, and they can close up as quickly as, what did I hear, like 90 seconds, depending on the depth of the needle that you're using. And when I say needle, don't be scared if you haven't tried one of these before. We're not talking about, pushing it so far into your skin that you're going to get blood marks all over your skin. Typically, that's not going to happen with this level of dermaroller, but it's just going to create those micro channels in your skin that then pull any skincare that you put on top of that further into your skin. So a lot of people recommend just using hyaluronic acid after that, which is going to help plump and hydrate the skin, and it's a safe one. You do not want to use any actives. Vitamin C's, acids, nothing like that. No retinols, because that is really going to irritate your skin. I do, however, just me, please don't take this as advice, but I use my Estee Lauder Night Repair. This is the newer version, the 72-hour hydration one, and I tend to use that afterwards, which I like. For me, it doesn't irritate my skin. It's just a nice way to get that further into my skin, producing potentially up to 300 times I wouldn't say the results, that's not really an accurate way to say it, but the way that it works, imagine increasing that drastically. So that's how microchanneling works on your skin. I'm not an expert, guys. I'm just telling you the things that I've been told, the things I've learned, and the things that work for me. I also use these Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. These are the 24 karat gold. I love them when I go to bed, sometimes just to put them on while I'm watching TV or before I'm doing my makeup. They're just these really nice lightweight gel eye pads that help to like firm and brighten the eye area. They're a goodie. They come with this little scoop so you can get them out without contaminating the rest of the package, the rest of the products. And lastly, I'm going to show you a product that I have recently fallen in love with based on a problem that I've been having with my skin, and that is my neck. My neck is starting to get crepey. Just one of those things that happens when you get older. So I saw randomly on a video, it was an ad for Crepe Erase, and then I happened to be in Blue Mercury the next day and I saw the product and I thought, well, maybe that's a sign. I'm gonna try it. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. This stuff is super thick and it contains 7 really intense hydrators. I believe the majority of them are natural. It doesn't have a fragrance, and this stuff is gold to me. I use it twice a day. Within 2 days, I noticed that my crepiness was pretty much invisible on my neck. Blown away. And I have no idea whether it's just to do with the thickness of the texture of this cream, but it's fantastic. Use it on your knees, use it on your elbows, use it on your neck, your chest, anywhere that you get crepiness. And I'm sure if you're like me, you're going to fall in love with this product. My husband wanted to use some the other day as face cream, and I pretty much screamed at him that he couldn't. It's like, it's gold to me. He can use anything else, but not this one. That is it, guys. I hope that this has been informative. I do have some other day-to-day beauty products that I use, but I think I'll just save that for another video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all of you. Like, subscribe, all of the good stuff. And I will see you all in the next video.